Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 23, How to Edit User's Profile and Add New Users in WordPress. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn everything about the dashboard's Users option. We'll see step-by-step how to edit your user's profile and add new users on WordPress. So let's get started. On WordPress dashboard, choose Users. You have three sub-options: All Users, Add New, and Your Profile. You can also edit your profile from here on the top right. Here on top is your username. Click on it to open your profile. You can also click on this Your Profile option of the dashboard to land on this page. Let's go back to Home, and then from Users, choose Your Profile option. So we are back on this page. Here is your username, and you can see it below also, which you cannot change. Then you can enter your first name and last name. Next is your nickname. It is mandatory. Whatever you will enter, you can choose it as your display name from this drop-down list. Enter a new nickname, and you can see it is added in the display name list. So choose your display name. It may be the same as your nickname or different. Now your email ID. It is also mandatory and already filled. Next is your website. Insert your site URL from the search bar. Then you can add some biographical info and your profile picture. After setting everything, click on this Update Profile button. You can also change your password from here. Click on this Generate Password button. It is suggesting a strong password. You can hide it also. Then set the password of your choice. So on top, you'll have Dashboard Settings option. From here, you can change the dashboard's color scheme. Now go to the All Users option, and here it is showing all the users. You can see the role is set to the administrator here. To add a new user, you can go to this Add New button. Also, you can choose Add New option from the dashboard. So click on this Add New button and the form opens. Insert username and email ID as both the fields are mandatory. Then enter first name and last name. Next is your website link. Click on Send User Notification, and the notification will be sent on the provided mail ID. Set the role. You can choose subscriber, contributor, author, editor, or even administrator. Set the role and click on this Add New User button. So here we can see the user is successfully added. Here are your email ID and username. You can edit, delete, or view it from here. To delete, click on this Delete and then on Confirm Deletion button. So now the user has been deleted. That's pretty much everything with the users. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about the dashboard's Tools option. See you in the next video tutorial.